Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show y'all how to do the knitted cast on. This is one of my favorite ways to cast on. I use it all the time, and if you are a beginner and you're trying to learn how to knit, this is the perfect cast on to start with because it is, to me, one of the easiest ways to cast on your knitting needles. So I have a piece here that I use the knitted cast on to start. This is just the garter stitch, which is just repeats of rows of the knit stitch. And if you want to learn how to do this, I'll have a separate video that I will link below that you can learn that stitch. But I use the knitted cast on the bottom here, and you can see it forms a neat, pretty edge. And it's not probably one of the stretchiest cast ons, but it is quite stretchy. It doesn't have a ton of give, but depending on the project you make, this cast on works for a lot of things. So I just have a worsted weight yarn and the recommended needle size for that yarn. So just whatever yarn and needles go with that yarn you can use. So first of all, we've got to make a slip knot. And to make a slip knot, I just take my tail, put it in my left hand, wrap it twice around my fingers, back over the front, back over the front, grab that and make that slip knot. So I'm just going to put this slip knot on one of my needles and I'm going to tighten it up. Not too tight. You want it to be loose and be able to wiggle and to be able to see a little daylight between it and the needle. Okay, so once you have your slip knot made and you've put it on your needle, you're going to put that needle in your left hand, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this tail so I don't get confused and accidentally start casting on with the tail as opposed to the working yarn. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your right hand needle through that first stitch. So it looks kind of like you're going to make a knit stitch, and you're going to wrap your yarn around and you're going to pull it through. And you're going to pull it, stretch it, and put it on your needle. And you're going to give it just a little pull. Don't tighten it very tight, but just so it's not really, really loose. You want it loose. You want it to wiggle. You don't want it on there really, really tight because you're going to continue working in between these stitches. So now you have 2 stitches. So to cast on more, we're going to stick our needle in between. You're going to go in between those 2. Wrap around. Pull up your yarn and put it on the end again. Grab it. You're going to pull it just a little bit. And now you have 3 stitches. And you're going to keep repeating that until you have as many cast on as you need. So the next one, I'm going to go between these 2 stitches. Wrap around. One. Pull. Now I have 4. And you're just going to keep repeating that across. I'm going to stick it in between the last 2 stitches. Like that. And you'll just repeat that for however many stitches you want to cast on, and that is how you do the knitted cast on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and happy knitting!